Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you why you can't clear the chats in Talkie app and how to reset a chat. So let's get started. So basically, when you will just open your Talkie app, as you can see here, when you just go to the chat, so you can see the chats. If you see like here the chat like of a spider, so if it shows like if you want to clear this chat, it is very easy. You can just uninstall the app and it will directly clear the data and you can delete it. But if you want to do it from here, it can't possible because there is no option dedicated to this to clear this chat. You can clear the data of this app and it will delete automatically. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.